Let's see if we can do some conversions here. It says a light year is a measure of the astronomical distance that light traverses in a vacuum in a year. So a light year is actually not a time. That's what sometimes confuses people. It's actually a distance. So it says, how many kilometers are there in 1 light year? All right, so if we take the speed of light, c, and multiply it by a time, t, we get a distance traveled. Now we want our distance traveled to be in the unit of light years. Okay, where c is the speed of light, and t is, of course, the time. So what should we plug in? Well, let's plug in 1 year. So we'll do 3 times 10 to the 8th meters per second, and then we'll do 1 year as the time. See how far light goes. So there have to be some unit conversions with the time units, because this is in seconds and that's in years. So we could multiply by the fact that there are 365 days in a year. There are 24 hours in a day and 3,600 seconds in an hour. Let's see what we get from that. 9.46 times 10 to the 15 meters, or in other words, 9.46 times 10 to the 12 kilometers. Alright, what is the speed of light, c, in terms of light years per year? Okay, well, let's see. Okay, take our speed of light, c, which is 3 times 10 to the 8th meters per second. I'll use the factor that I had just found to convert the meters into light years, because we set up here that 1 light year is 9.46 times 10 to the 15 meters. So I'm going to use that conversion right now. Alright, that'll cancel this. Alright, then our seconds, we want to turn it back into years. So we have to reverse everything that we did above. Yeah, that should get us into the desired units of light years per year. Yeah, not surprisingly, it comes out to 1 after all that. Alright, and finally, can we express our answer above in terms of feet per nanosecond? Alright, it's an interesting question. Let's see. So I'm going to start with the speed of light. 3 times 10 to the 8th meters per second. I'll change the meters into feet. Alright, so that'll convert my distance to feet. Now I need the seconds turned into nanoseconds. Well, we could use the definition of what a nanosecond is. It's 10 to the minus 9 seconds. I'm getting 0.984 feet per nanosecond. So just about a foot every nanosecond. It's hard to imagine that scale. But that'll do it.